All right, let's dive into how you can build your very own AI assistant and get some time back. Ben Franklin really nailed it. And as teachers, we know time is everything, right?
So the big question is, how can you actually get more of that time back in your day? Okay, meet your new C+ level assistant. It's here to help, even if it's not perfect.
Look, it's not about replacing your A+ work. It's about letting the AI handle the B drafts. The solution? Custom versions of ChatGPT, which we call GPTs. They're built right in. Basically, you're creating a custom AI that's trained specifically for your tasks and your style. For example, you can build a parent emailer or even a lesson plan maestro for reoccurring tasks. So how do you actually build one? Well, it's probably easier than you think. Let's get into it. It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. You sign in, explore, and then create. First things first, you'll log in to the free and secure ChatGPT for Teachers workspace. Then just click Explore GPTs in the sidebar and look for that plus Create button up top. Okay, so what kind of awesome time-saving assistants can you actually build with this? How about a parent email drafter or a lesson plan generator? The possibilities are pretty cool. Just imagine getting a solid first draft of a lesson plan, giving you more time for the creative stuff. Now, this is a super powerful tool, so it's really important that we use it responsibly. That means we've got to prioritize things like data privacy, fairness, and academic integrity, always. So, by building these little assistants, you can finally start to get that valuable time back. So, the power is literally in your hands. Now the only question is, what will you build first?